Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth walkthrough of an Amazon sales analysis dashboard created in Power BI. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the design process, the visual components, and the functionality of this dashboard. This project was built to help businesses gain clear, visual insights into product sales, category performance, and customer engagement using real-time data. Whether you're a data analyst, student, or business owner, this dashboard offers a powerful tool to make informed decisions. Setting the canvas and background. To begin, we set the tone for the dashboard by applying a custom blue-themed background. This not only improves the visual appeal but also helps organize the charts and KPIs in a structured layout. Choosing a clean, neutral background ensures that visuals stand out and the focus remains on the data. Adding the ribbon chart. The first visual we add is a ribbon chart. This is ideal for tracking changes in category rankings over time. We drag category onto the axis and quantity into values. Ribbon charts are particularly effective for highlighting which product categories are performing best and how their rankings have shifted over the year. Styling the ribbon chart. Next, we resize and align the chart properly. We format the title as YTD products sold by category and adjust fonts and colors to improve readability. Data labels are enabled to show exact quantities, which makes interpretation faster. This visual immediately tells us which categories dominate in terms of volume. Adding the pie chart. To complement the ribbon chart, we add a pie chart to show the percentage share of each product category. While the ribbon chart shows trend and ranking, this chart gives us a snapshot of how much each category contributes to total units sold. It helps in quickly identifying which segments are generating the most customer interest. Formatting the pie chart. We enable data labels on the pie chart and format them to show percentages. Each slice is colored differently, and we title it Product Category-wise % of total quantity sold. Now users can instantly see the distribution without needing to calculate anything manually. Adding bar chart for product level sales. Moving on, we insert a bar chart to analyze sales at the product level. We use product description as the axis and YTD sales as the value. This visual highlights the top revenue-generating products, helping stakeholders identify their best sellers. Sorting is done in descending order to bring top performers to the top. Displaying KPI. Now, let's add some key KPI cards to the top section of the dashboard. These are key performance indicators, high-level metrics that provide a quick summary of business performance. The first card displays the year-to-date sales, which is currently at $2.18 million. This tells us the total revenue generated from the beginning of the year to the present date, a critical figure for tracking overall growth. Next, we have the quarter-to-date sales, standing at $811.09 thousand. This KPI zooms in on the current quarter, helping managers measure short-term progress and performance against quarterly targets. The third KPI is YTD products sold, which shows a total of 27.7K units sold. This helps evaluate demand and the volume of goods moving through Amazon's platform. Lastly, we have the total YTD reviews, which is a staggering 19.42 million. This indicates the level of customer engagement and feedback, both of which are essential for product reputation, rankings, and future improvements. Together, these four KPIs provide a quick yet powerful snapshot of business performance, enabling fast, data-backed decisions without needing to dig into every visual. Review analysis with bar chart. In addition to sales, customer feedback is critical. So, we add another bar chart to show YTD review by product description. This helps us understand which products are receiving the most customer attention. High reviews often indicate popularity, trust, or potential for upselling opportunities. Adding slicers for interactivity. To make the dashboard interactive, we include slicers for product category and quarter. These slicers allow users to filter the entire report dynamically, making it more personalized and exploratory. Users can focus on a specific quarter or zoom in on a single category to compare performance. After aligning and formatting all visuals for a clean finish, the dashboard is complete. This Power BI report delivers clear, interactive insights on Amazon product sales and performance. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.